friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set dark theme or the light theme. You can set to change your screen, light into dark, dark into light. Okay, how to change it. Okay, so friends, before we start this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here you can see the first option we want to click is the setting. Okay, setting is the main. Okay, just click on the setting. When you move on the setting, inside the setting you can see this page, and from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling. If you don't find the option of the display and brightness, here is the search setting. You just click on the search setting and you can search for the display and brightness. Okay, here if you don't found by scrolling, okay, the option of the display and brightness. Okay, here is the display and brightness. So here I just click on the display and brightness. When I move on the display and brightness, here you can see friends the option light theme and the dark theme. It's very easy. Okay, it has given the easily. Okay, so suppose you want to set light into dark, you want to set the dark theme, you just click on the dark theme. Here the whole setting will be into dark. Okay, if you select this dark theme, okay, see the whole setting has been set up into dark. If you want to set the setting dark into light, if you want to use the light theme, you just click on the first option. Okay, here the light theme will be set up so easily. You just select this one. Okay, just click this dark, this light, your dark theme or light theme. Inside the setting it will be solved. Okay, you can solve it easily like this. Okay, you just need to click like this and you just click like this here and there and it will be solved. Okay, so friends, you can schedule also if you want to schedule. Here is the schedule option. Schedule option. Here is the custom schedule. Here is the sunset to sunrise. Okay, which one you want? You can off also. If you want to off, you don't want to schedule. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video and hope you understand. And friends, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so friends, thank you for watching.